Alexa, how's the weather today?
Right now in Santa Clarita, it's 83 degrees Fahrenheit with mostly sunny skies. Tonight's forecast has just a few clouds in the sky, with a low of 61 degrees. Hope you've enjoyed your Thursday.
Alexa, NBA score.
Currently, the Warriors are beating the Celtics 44-37 with 8:37 left in the second quarter. The series is tied at 0 apiece. Last Sunday, May 29th, the Celtics beat the Heat 100-96. They lost the series 4-3. Last Friday,
Alexa,
May 27th.
Play music.
Playing the music you requested. For over 90 million songs on demand, say try Amazon Music Unlimited. You bet. To find the right music, I have a quick question about the type of music you like. I'll list 4 popular genres to see which you enjoy.
Alexa,
You can also answer.
play Guns N' Roses music.
Here's some music by Guns N' Roses on Amazon Music.
Yeah. Alexa, stop. Alexa, where's my order?
A package for Jerome's order, placed yesterday, was delivered to the front door or porch containing aquarium heater. By the way, if you happen to be running low on Aquaphor Baby Healing Ointment and need more, just say, buy Aquaphor Baby Healing Ointment.
Alexa, are you listening all the time?
I'm designed to protect your privacy, so I record audio only after your device detects the wake word, or if the action button is pushed. On Echo devices, you'll always know when your request is being sent to the cloud and recorded, because a blue light indicator will appear or an audio tone will sound. You can learn more by visiting amazon.com/Alexa
di nga.
privacy.
What is the best-selling graphics card today?
A popular choice for graphics card on Amazon is Zotac Gaming GeForce RTX 3060 Twin Edge OC 12GB 192-bit 15. It's rated 4.5 stars by more than 1,000 customers and is Amazon's choice. It's $491 with delivery by tomorrow. Choose this or another option in your Amazon cart. To purchase this one, say buy it now.
Alexa, can you lend me money?
I seem to have misplaced my wallet.